North Carolina. Talk to me.
Sure.
Say and spell your first and last name, and then give us your title.
My name is Andy Gwaltney, AndyGwaltney. I am the Ward 1, Place 1 counselor.
So what happened today with the Bulldog District on Samford University's campus?
So we passed the Bulldog District, the stadium housing project. Basically brings a couple hundred beds and 70 some odd parking places, allows them to grow their on-campus housing and parking.
And this is strictly on campus. Will it have any impact to Homewood residents in general?
No, this is all on campus. I think the building is only 3 or 4 stories, so it's not going to be impacting anything outside of the campus.
And did any constituents maybe express concerns about building heights or anything to that extent?
For this particular item, we did not have any concerns come up in committees or in council. During the public hearing, we didn't have anybody from the public speak, only the university spoke.
Nice. And is there anything else you want to add or say on that particular item?
No, we're looking forward to seeing Samford grow, and they're a good community partner.
Yeah, like I said, in all fairness, you saw the protesters were here. This is their second time attending
Yeah.
the council meeting. Did you want to address any?
I'm glad they were able to come and make their voices heard. But besides that, no additional comments.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, sorry.
Short, sweet.
And I'll speak to the